Green card or US citizenship, which is better under Trump's 2025 policies? If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for 2025, green card versus US citizenship. What's the difference, and which one might be better for you under the current Trump administration's policies? 1. What is a green card? First, let's talk about what a green card is. A green card, officially called a permanent resident card, allows you to live and work permanently in the United States. As of 2024, there are about 12.8 million green card holders in the U.S., with around 8.6 million eligible to apply for citizenship. You can get a green card through family, employment, refugee or asylum status, or programs like the EB-5 investor visa. But here's the thing, it's not the same as being a U.S. citizen. Can apply for citizenship after 5 years, or 3 if married to a U.S. citizen. Sounds great, right? But green card holders face some limitations, and in 2025, there are new policies under the Trump administration that might affect them. We'll get to those in a bit. 2. What is U.S. citizenship? Now, let's talk about U.S. citizenship. Becoming a U.S. citizen through naturalization means you're fully part of the quote-unquote American family, as President Trump described in a 2025 message to new citizens. Citizenship comes with rights like voting, holding public office, and protection from deportation. Plus, you get a U.S. passport, which makes international travel easier. But the process involves a civics test, interviews, and fees, around $725 as of 2025. Key points on screen: right to vote and run for office, protection from deportation, access to a U.S. passport, ability to sponsor more family members for emigration. Citizenship is often seen as the gold standard, but it's a big step. So why might someone stick with a green card? And how have things changed in 2025? Let's dive into the policies. 3. Trump's 2025 immigration policies. President Trump's second term, starting in January 2025, has brought significant changes to immigration. His administration has focused on stricter enforcement, enhanced vetting, and reducing legal immigration pathways. Here's how these changes impact green card holders and those considering citizenship. Key policy changes. Increased vetting for green card holders. The Department of Homeland Security now uses AI and machine learning for thorough background checks, including social media monitoring. Green card holders may face scrutiny for online activity deemed against U.S. interests. Example, a 2025 Newsweek report highlighted concerns about green card holders being detained based on social media posts, raising questions about free speech. Pausing green card processing. Some green card applications, especially for refugees and asylees, have been paused for aggressive vetting, as reported by CBS News in March 2025. This could delay permanent residency for many. Deportation risk for green card holders. The Trump administration has expanded enforcement to include green card holders with minor past convictions. A New York Times article from April 2025 noted cases of permanent residents facing deportation for old minor crimes. Gold Card Program. Trump introduced a $5 million Gold Card visa to replace the EB-5 program, offering a faster path to residency and potentially citizenship for wealthy investors. This doesn't affect most green card holders, but shows a shift towards prioritizing high net worth immigrants. Alien registration requirement. Executive Order 14159, January 2025, requires aliens, including green card holders, to register with the government and update addresses within 10 days or risk penalties. Non-compliance could lead to deportation proceedings. These changes make it clear green card holders face more scrutiny than ever. For example, spending over 6 months outside the U.S. could raise flags at the border, and some have been pressured to abandon their status. Citizenship, on the other hand, offers stronger protections. 4. Green card versus citizenship in 2025, pros and cons. So, which is better in 2025? Let's break it down. Green Card pros: live and work permanently in the US, access to many federal benefits, flexibility to maintain ties to your home country. Dual citizenship depends on your country's laws. Less expensive than naturalization. Green Card cons: risk of deportation for minor crimes or policy violations like failure to register address. Increased scrutiny at borders and through social media monitoring. Limited political rights, no voting or running for office. Delays in green card processing due to 2025 policies. In 2025, the biggest difference is security. Green card holders are more vulnerable to deportation or status challenges under Trump's policies, while citizenship offers peace of mind. But the naturalization process isn't easy, so let's talk about whether it's worth it. 5. Should you apply for citizenship in 2025? With Trump's policies tightening, many green card holders are asking, should you apply for citizenship now? Here's why. Protection. Citizenship eliminates deportation risks, which is critical with expanded enforcement. Rights. You gain voting power and the ability to influence policies. Family. Citizens can sponsor more relatives like parents or siblings for green cards. But there are challenges. The process takes about 6 to 12 months, and USCIS is increasing scrutiny on applications, including social media reviews. Tips for green card holders. Update your records. Comply with registration requirements like Form G325R to avoid penalties. Prepare for naturalization. Study for the civics test and gather required documents early. Monitor policy updates. Check uscis.gov or trusted sources for the latest changes. If you're on the fence, weigh your personal goals. Do you want to vote, bring family to the US, or just feel secure? Citizenship might be the way to go, but it's a personal choice. 6. Closing and call to action. All right, that's the breakdown of green card versus US citizenship in 2025 under Trump's policies. Green cards offer flexibility, but come with risks, while citizenship provides security and more rights. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Green card or US citizenship, which is better under Trump's 2025 policies. In 2025, the contrast between holding a green card and obtaining US citizenship has intensified under Trump's strict immigration policies. Green card holders can live and work permanently in the US, but face increased scrutiny, including social media monitoring, stricter vetting, and the prison risk for minor offenses. New policies like the $5 million gold card, visa, and mandatory registration heighten this risk. US citizenship, though requiring a civic test, interview, and fees, offers protection from deportation, voting rights, a US passport, and expanded family sponsorship. Given the current climate, many green card holders are encouraged to consider naturalization for long-term security and full participation in American civic life.